Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. So today we are doing the first unboxing of the BoxyCharm Premium. I do pay for this box. I do get two of them that I pay for. This is the first one that I've received. It is the $35 box monthly. And I love this box. I think I will continue to get it forever, but I love this box. I love them all. BoxyCharm kills it. Just a quick reminder, I do have that 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, and it ends on the 20th. I will link the video down below. Make sure you go watch it to be entered. Follow the rules in description, and then I'm picking a winner on the 20th. So if you haven't watched that video, please go watch it, and that way you can be entered to win the giveaway. You do have to leave a comment, so because I will use a comment picker. But other than that, the update that I told you guys I would give you, I did go get the test, and I'm still waiting on my results. My husband is back to work, so I will be returning to my old spot. I won't have this background. I just have to clean up a little bit. We're both feeling really good. And I mean, it was definitely a journey. So definitely make sure you guys are washing your hands, keeping safe. It's crazy right now. It's spreading so crazy. But just stay safe, you guys. It's not fun to deal with that stuff. So we are here for the BoxyCharm box. So let's go edit and get into it. I am so excited. And I'm hoping that that pure palette is in here. We shall see. So when you open her up, she says premium, and then we have that right there. My choice item is on the top. And here is the card. It is Harvest, and I have a variation 1. I don't think that's ever happened. I seriously have variation 1. Okay. They did send me the wrong color. Oh man. So they sent me medium tan in the pure palette, and I would love to have a little bit of a lighter shade. I'm gonna have to go back and check my, I'm pretty sure my quiz, but I'm pretty sure I've put that I'm light fair. So this is pure 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders Face Palette. This 4-in-1 palette features a stunning mix of bronzer, highlighter, blush, and translucent setting powder, arranged in a travel-friendly palette designed to help you sculpt and highlight the perfect look, accentuate your best features, and bring out the best in you with this exclusive collection. And this is valued at $32. I really wish it was in my shades. Let's see what it looks like. If it's too dark, it's probably gonna be, but maybe it'll be in my next box. I don't know, we'll see. Let's see what this looks like. I have a feeling it's gonna be way too dark. I really wanted this. Oh, the medium tan right there. Oh man, I mean, it's pretty, but like the setting powder is not gonna work. None of it. I mean, the blush would work. The bronzer looks too dark. Oh, I'm so sad. This is coming out a lot lighter. There you go. Now you can see it's a little bit darker. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if I should contact Boxy about that. I definitely am going to go back and check my quiz tonight, but I don't want to touch this because I don't know that I will keep it because of it being too dark. That's sad. But moving on, this is my choice item, and it is the Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette, and everything is taped closed. So let's get into this and see what she looks like. I've heard good things about this. So it says, where are you? Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette. Express your individuality with 12 highly pigmented powders, eyeshadows in a satin, matte, and metallic shimmer. Each one delivers a color intense finish, allowing you to create any number of unique nude looks, from natural everyday to the perfect smoky eye. Valued at $50. I don't think I would ever pay $50 for this. It does have like a matte feel. It is really pretty. Yeah, it has the shades on this, which I don't like too much. It just, like, to me, it cheapens the palette. But here are the colors, and they're so similar that these probably will look the same. But your shimmers are on the top, your mattes are on the bottom. We will do some swatches. Let's just see what some of these shimmers look like. So they're very soft, very, very soft. I mean, okay, they're pretty pigmented. Yeah, they're really pigmented. So there are the first four. Where is my wipe? The mattes are super buttery, so that's good too. Here are the next four. I don't know if I'm gonna get it all on my hand or not. We're gonna try. We have four more left, and it's the four that look pretty similar to each other. So let's see. Yeah, like these three look really similar. Let's do it here. I mean, kind of. Yeah, they kind of do look very similar, and I bet on the eye, blended out, it's gonna look really similar. So they probably should have went with different color story on the bottom, maybe a little bit darker, more depth, but the shades really are very buttery, and I'm pretty sure they'll blend out really nicely. So, I mean, can't get upset with that. All right, now when you take the blue thing off, we have a bunch of bubble wrap, and let's see. Wow, I have seen people get this where there's just that little tiny eyeshadow, but I mean, they didn't want it to break, so here is the dose of colors, and we have a jackpot. So before I open it up, I'm gonna read it real quick. So it says, Block Party Single Shadow. This eyeshadow is packed with multi-dimensional reflex, creating an ultra dazzling finish. Each eyeshadow comes with its own mirror compact, and it's valued at $20. I don't like, I mean, I know a lot of people say this, but I don't really reach for singles. But if it is like a really pretty single, I do try to use them. So let's see what color Jackpot is, because I don't think I've seen that. They killed it on the packaging. Packaging is gorgeous. Really, really pretty. Oh, it's a green. You guys, it's like a green color. Let's see. We're gonna swatch it on this hand because that one's all taken up. Oh, I'm happy that it's a green. She is very sparkly and very multi-dimensional. Okay, all right, so that's pretty awesome. I definitely will try to get some use out of this. It is very, very dark. And my bracelet's falling off. But it is very pretty. So, I'm excited for that. All right, we have what everybody else, I think everybody's getting this. It is the Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream Peptide 3. Yeah, I don't know, extract. This advanced detoxifying night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides. There's that I don't know. Vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acids. They detox and regenerate skin, reducing appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in a radiant and youthful looking skin. And it is valued at $125. This stuff better be like miracle cream. I mean, that's crazy. $125, but it does bring the value of the box up. But anyway, we have a Real Her lip liner duo. I'm super happy to get this. I've seen people get these and they're really pretty. I use a Real Her eyeliner every single day, a black eyeliner, which go figure, but I use it for my tight line, and these don't want to come out. So let's see if I can get my tweezers and pull it out. That's ridiculous. Like, come on. Maybe if I cut this side and open it, I can push them out. This is nuts. Like, they are in there good. They could have made the packaging a little bit bigger so that you didn't have to do this to get into it. let's see. There we go. You guys, that's like the hardest thing to ever get out of the packaging. All right, so here are the two colors. They are both nudes, which is exciting. So we have I Am Confident. Oh, and they're retractable. I forgot about that. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. I Am Confident is right there. And then this is Be Yourself, Be Real Her, I guess. And let's see. I'm really excited for this because they've been really stepping up their game. That's really pretty. At first we were getting like palettes from Real Her, and I really didn't care too much because they were very nude palettes. But the eyeliners and the pencils and all that, I think they're really, really nice. So this says, let's see, where are you? Real Her Lip Liner Duo. Line your lips with ease. This creamy formula is infused with jojoba seed oil and shea butter, providing a smooth application and a natural matte finish. Choose between our deep nude and a true red while preventing your favorite lipstick, matte or moisturizing, from bleeding or feathering. Valued at $25 for both. Not bad. I'm excited for this. All right, and then the last thing is the brushes. And these are cosmetic skincare brush set. Take cleansing to the next level with this embossed brush designed for gentle exfoliation and effective deep pore cleansing. Bring the spa experience home with a dual-sided silicone spatula that effortlessly and evenly distributes product across your face. Use it to apply cream, exfoliator, serum, or masks with ultimate precision and no mess. Valued at $25. I think that's a good idea. You know, I mean, we don't get stuff like this, and I mean, really, with everything that's going around, you really shouldn't be touching your face. So it's a good idea for these brushes. I like the little pack that it comes in. This would be great to like put your toothbrushes in and stuff whenever we get to travel again. I wish they would hurry up and come out with that vaccination so that we can get our lives back to normal. But I think this is really cute, and I'm excited for it. So let's recap our box. So we have the brush set, the two liners, the ridiculously priced cream. That's just too much. The Dose of Colors single shadow, the Illamasqua palette that is way too overpriced, and unfortunately the medium tan pure perfecting powder, which I wish was not medium tan. Hopefully in my other box we get a light one, so I guess we'll wait and see for that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.